OpenComputer is one of the most powerful mods for factory automation. Like, it can breed IC crops, build custom HUDs, deal with space pumping, or even manage AE2 from a website. But almost nobody actually uses it because writing Lua by hand with no IDE nor autocomplete, the steep learning curve discourages most of the players from the start. So I built a fix, meet OC-Code, a coding agent that lives inside Minecraft. Let's see it in action. This is OC-Code TUI, the interactive interface I built that runs entirely on the in-game computer. I'm going to say hi to the LLM first, just to show it is running. Okay, let's try something challenging. Let's try to tell it to write a script which will draw a 3D spinning cube. Let's make it hollow. It takes a bit of time. And that triggers a to calling, and it writes a file named spinningcube.lua. We can either run it by ourselves, or we can just tell OC-Code to run it. And it's a little bit too small. Let's tell it to make it larger. Okay, make it larger. It is a bit bigger, and it is spinning in different orientations. Well, actually, let's try increasing the screen resolution to get a better result. Let's exit it and tune my screen resolution. 160, 50. Okay. Lua, spinning cube.lua. Yeah, so this is the 3D spinning cube written by OC-Code. Let's take a look at the code inside. So we can see it clear the screen and then projecting the coordinate from 3D to 2D, it draw lines for edges and update rotation angle, which is basically what a 3D spinning cube would have. OC-Code doesn't just live on the computer screen. Let's see what it can do with robots. I'm going to open the robots terminal and type OC-Code. This is the monochrome version of the TUI. I'm going to give it an instruction. Build a 8x8 checkerboard pattern with blocks in slot 1 and 2. And I'm going to put white and black wools in it. Okay, it tells me to run it. Oh, this one. Alright, this is a 8x8 checkerboard pattern. Actually, it is capable of doing something more complicated, like building a 3D Hilbert curve. That took me a few tries, and I used Claude Opus 4 for this. And here is the bot running the script. and here's a time lapse for it. OC code is built on top of AI-SDK, a library I wrote that mimic Vercel's AI-SDK, where you can use 2 lines of code to talk with LLM. And it supports different providers like Vercel, OpenAI, Google, Grok, and if you're interested in it, you can find a repository link in the description.